Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, love you all. This is me, Hemang Goza, and welcome back to your channel HJO Vlogs. Alright, so in the last video, which is the Cardo Freecom 4 Plus video where I was unboxing this, if you have not seen that video, I'll put the link on the I button. Please check it out. I told you that I have bought this particular intercom and did the unboxing of this particular product. Today, as I promised, I'm going to show you how to install this in my SMK helmet. Now this is the SMK helmet that I use, SMK Stellar. Now I'll need to remove the internal padding, which is there in the helmet. I'll have to remove it. So once I remove this, then I'll show you how to install the entire product. Right. Okay, so people, as you can see, I have not removed it completely, but I can still manage my work by removing these paddings, and not completely, but yeah, to some extent I have removed it. So if you can see this, there are these sockets kind of a thing. This can be seen here, these sockets. These are the sockets where my JBL speakers will go, and these are the sticky things that they have given, which we can keep it here and then stick this. This is the clip mount, which will go on the left side of my helmet, which has to be tucked in here. So let me just do this and I'll show it to you. Alright, so people, finally I'm done with my Bluetooth setup. This is how it looks. I think it looks pretty neat, pretty cool. Yeah, I already tested it. I did a Bluetooth connection with my phone, and I tried to call somebody and checked whether it's working fine or no. Okay, so people, as I said, I'm going to try out all the features which are there with Cardo Freecom 4 Plus, especially the voice command, which I've already tried and tested, but this, for the benefit of all of you, I'm going to show you how does it work. So I'm going to make a couple of calls. I'll try to answer a couple of calls. I'll try to play music, FM. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, so now I'm going to call somebody. Hey Cardo, speed dial. So you can hear the ring. It's
Hello.
Hi Meeta, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Is it loud and clear?
Yes.
Great. Okay, you can disconnect. Hey Cardo, play FM. Hey Cardo, next station. Hey Cardo, next station.
107.5.
Hey Cardo, next station.
98.3.
Hey Cardo, next station.
104.8.
Stop FM. So check out my next vlog on the review of this. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye, tata, and do subscribe. Thank you.